Welcome to Kehl Street in Kitchener, Ontario, where there is an amazing multi-residential development opportunity for two adjoining properties, 65 and 69 Kehl Street. With close proximity to the new LRT, highway access, amenities, and downtown Kitchener, this is a great location to construct a highly valuable multi-unit building in a growing market. With a combined frontage of 87 feet and lots that span over 260 feet deep, we have over half an acre of R6 zoned land available for a multiple dwelling opportunity.